Ukrainian FPV drones unleashed devastating precision strikes against Russian Marine units as they attempted a perilous river crossing, turning what was meant to be a tactical maneuver into a deadly trap. The dramatic incident unfolded in a contested frontline sector where control of river crossings has become a decisive factor in the ongoing conflict. According to Ukrainian military sources, Russian Marines boarded a small assault boat under the cover of early morning mist, believing the natural fog and limited visibility would shield them from detection. The river, swollen by seasonal runoff, slowed their movement and forced the vessel into a predictable crossing route. Unbeknownst to the Russian unit, Ukrainian reconnaissance drones had already identified the crossing point hours earlier. Operators monitored every movement from concealed positions, relaying live footage to FPV drone teams waiting for the precise moment to strike. As the boat reached the midpoint of the river, Ukrainian FPV drones were launched at high speed, skimming just meters above the water's surface. The drone's buzzing sound cut through the quiet morning air, leaving the Marines with only seconds to react. Footage released later shows the drones maneuvering with lethal accuracy, weaving past small arms fire as Russian troops attempted to defend themselves. The confined space of the boat offered no room to escape, turning it into a floating death trap. The first explosion ripped through the vessel's center, instantly engulfing it in smoke, fire, and debris. A second drone followed moments later, delivering a devastating secondary strike that shattered the boat's structure and sent fragments scattering across the river. Survivors were seen thrown into the freezing water, struggling amid debris as the current dragged them downstream. Ukrainian drone operators maintained visual contact, ensuring the crossing attempt was completely neutralized and posed no further threat. Defense analysts say the incident underscores Ukraine's rapidly advancing mastery of FPV drone warfare, especially in complex riverine environments where traditional armored vehicles, artillery cover, and air defense are difficult to deploy effectively. These drones, often assembled at low cost and operated by highly trained crews, have become precision weapons capable of striking moving targets at the most vulnerable moment. Experts note that such operations reflect a broader shift in modern combat, where speed, adaptability, and real-time intelligence now outweigh sheer firepower. The river itself has evolved into a brutal frontline feature rather than a simple geographic obstacle, with both sides racing to secure crossing points that could determine the success or failure of nearby offensives. Ukrainian forces have deliberately transformed these waterways into lethal choke points, layering surveillance drones, FPV strike units, artillery observers, and electronic warfare assets to deny the enemy any safe passage. What was once a natural route for maneuver has become a carefully monitored kill zone. Russian Marine units, historically trained for amphibious assaults and rapid river crossings, now face unprecedented dangers from above and below. Even well-drilled troops equipped with combat experience find themselves exposed to threats that cannot be easily detected or countered. The loss of personnel during such operations not only reduces combat strength but also undermines confidence in tactics that once formed the backbone of river assault doctrine. Ukrainian commanders emphasized that the strike was not the result of improvisation or luck, but the outcome of deliberate planning, strict discipline, and precise coordination between multiple drone teams. By allowing the boat to reach the most vulnerable point of the crossing, operators ensured that the enemy had no viable escape options. This calculated patience reflects a growing sophistication in Ukraine's battlefield decision-making. The released footage has rapidly circulated across social media platforms, military forums, and analytical channels worldwide, magnifying the psychological impact far beyond the immediate battlefield. Analysts say such imagery serves as a powerful deterrent, reinforcing the idea that every movement near the front line is observed and recorded. For enemy troops, the knowledge that even a brief river crossing can be instantly targeted adds immense psychological strain. As the war continues to evolve, Ukraine's innovative use of FPV drones is redefining the balance of power on the battlefield. The destruction of the Russian marine boat stands as a stark illustration of how technology, terrain, and timing can combine to devastating effect. On this contested river, the water offered no protection, only exposure, marking yet another chapter in a conflict where the smallest miscalculation can prove fatal.